match. Okay, you guys remember meeting for the first time?
Yes.
How was it?
So, like the first time we texted each other, it was 16th of March, and then I was very reluctant to move to metro cities. So, I said I'm not interested in moving to Bangalore, and that was it. Our conversation ended there. He was like, is it a deal breaker for you? I said yes.
No, and then I followed up. So I followed up after a few days. I told her, you ask around, like लोगों से पूछ लो कि जो भी बैंगलोर में friends हैं and all, and then we'll talk again. So I followed up after a few days, and she said no, कुछ नहीं मिल रहा. मतलब Bangalore is not good for medicos and really difficult for me because of language constraints and all. So and then so we then stopped. I mean, there basically we didn't proceed further. उसके बाद it was I think March में, right?
Yes. Like he asked me, let's connect over a call first. And even after the call, if you're not interested, then it's okay. I won't message you again. मैं like ठीक है, एक फ़ोन पे ही तो बात करनी है, क्या ही हो जाएगा.
अच्छा थोड़ा फ्लैशबैक में जाते हैं. This is 2025 March. But I have seen Nancy's Facebook profile in 2020 20 around that time. So थोड़ा background. Nancy has two siblings, Nitin भैया and Niti दीदी. So Nancy is the youngest of three. तो मैं around 2020 I've been following veganism closely, and I've been trying to convert to going vegan. लेकिन मेरी जर्नी थोड़ी स्लो थी. Nancy has been vegan since 2016, I guess.
Yes.
Right? So, and Nancy's brother has been a big influence in basically converting her.
Yeah.
And पार्टली मेरे भी वीगन होने में उनका थोड़ा रोल है. सो नितिन भैया को मैं फॉलो कर रहा हूँ अराउंड सेम टाइम व्हेन आई स्टार्टेड फॉलोइंग वीगनिज्म. तो मैं नितिन भैया को फॉलो कर रहा था. And then because his personal profile and like where he does activism is almost, is the same profile. So वहाँ पे तो he used to post his family photos and all. तो नैन्सी की photos भी post करते. And तो तभी मैंने नैन्सी का Facebook profile देखा होगा. And then I saw यार ये तो डॉक्टर है, out of my league. But I found her cute, but then I didn't take any action. And then fast forward to 2025, I find Nancy on Jeevan Sathi and texted her, and then the story which Nancy told.
What was the first impression of Himanshu?
So even when we haven't met, when I talked to him on the first time on phone, I found his voice very soothing. Somehow he had a calming effect on me. तो मतलब मुझे ऐसा था कि इस पर्सन से तो बहुत ईजिली बात कर सकती हूँ मैं. बट जो बाकी सारे रेस्टोरेंट्स थे कि मेट्रो सिटी, डिफरेंट प्रोफेशंस, आई एम अ डॉक्टर, ही इज़ एन इंजीनियर, तो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू मेक अप माई माइंड कि बहुत सारे मतलब हम दोनों में सिमिलैरिटीज़ बहुत कम है अदर देन दिस कि वी आर इजी टू कनेक्ट. तो आई वॉज नॉट एबल टू से येस. उस टाइम अगेन बात करके मेरा यही था कि एवरीथिंग एल्स इज़ फाइन बट आई वोंट बी एबल टू शिफ्ट टू बैंगलोर एंड ही कुडंट शिफ्ट टू अ tier 2 city. So I think the conversation kind of ended there.
Yeah. मेरा भी रीज़न मुंबई ना मूव होने का लाइक इट वाज कि मैं प्रोडक्ट मैनेजर हूँ एंड मोस्ट प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनीज टेक कंपनीज आर इन बैंगलोर. We don't have any, there are very few companies in Mumbai who have good job roles in Mumbai for product managers. So it's just Bangalore. In India, if you see, just Bangalore and to some extent NCR, जहाँ पे product managers को you get good opportunities. तो मेरा भी मुंबई ना मूव होने का एक यही रीज़न था. That's where we were at stalemate कि मैं मुंबई नहीं आ सकता और tier 2 city नहीं आ सकता, and she can't come to Bangalore. That was the first part of our journey.
Then 1 month later, like somebody else was looking for him for her daughter. And they asked my mom, like, if my brother knows this person, because he was also in Bangalore, he is also vegan. So, like, if is there any chance that वो हिमांशु को जानते हैं? तो she asked around कि आपको पता है क्या? मेरी मम्मी ने फिर भैया को पूछा. Till that time, I didn't know that he is vegan. भैया then called him. और भैया को such a nice guy, well educated, सब कुछ अच्छा है. Then I should ask him for my sister also. अरे भैया ने इनको पूछा है like हाँ आपकी बहन नैन्सी है उससे तो बात हुई. She said no. Then भैया ने जो वापस से बोला अरे वापस से बात करो इतना अच्छा लड़का है क्यों नहीं बात कर रहे तुम लोग. Then we started talking again. Then the issue was I found a friend in him, but वो जो मूवीज़ वाला प्यार होता है वो नहीं हो रहा था कि गिटार बज रहे हैं ऐसा कुछ. तो एंड आई डेंट नो कि ऐसा पॉसिबल है भी या नहीं, बट आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर इट. तो मैंने बोला ऐसे कुछ वाइब्स नहीं आ रहे हैं क्या करें. देन वन डे ऑन सैटरडे ही कॉल्स अप माई सेंटर एंड he said कि तुम निकल गए क्या हॉस्पिटल से. मैंने बोला नहीं अभी.
You skip the first meeting. Yes. So this was in April when Nitin Bhaiya called me कि just for the first time he called me कि although I have been in touch with him for multiple other reasons like मैं vegan हो रहा था तो I was inquiring for a lot of things. So and but for like in this regard he called me for the first time in April. उस दिन मैं सागर जा रहा था. So I was traveling from Bangalore to Sagar to meet someone else. लेकिन जस्ट द सेम डे नितिन भैया कॉल्ड मी एंड आस्क्ड कि अच्छा ऐसा नैन्सी मेरी सिस्टर है एंड लेट्स टॉक अबाउट इट. तो मैंने फिर कहा ठीक है मतलब आई सेड कि हाँ नैन्सी ने मना कर दिया नहीं मैं बात करता हूँ नैन्सी से. एंड देन बिकॉज आई हैड हर नंबर ऑलरेडी. तो फिर देन वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड आई टोल्ड हर कि मैं सागर जा रहा हूँ, वाई नॉट आई मीट योर पेरेंट्स एटलीस्ट. शी वॉज इन मुंबई. मैं सागर जा रहा था तो एंड सागर एंड शी फ्रॉम टीकमगढ़. सागर टू टीकमगढ़ इज जस्ट 100 किलोमीटर्स. सो व्हाई नॉट आई मीट योर पेरेंट्स. तो दिस वाज अप्रैल लास्ट वीक. तो हाँ तो तभी आई मेट हर पेरेंट्स. तो दे विजिटेड माई हाउस at that time and then they suggested why not you travel to Mumbai and meet Nancy. I said why not. Then I traveled to Mumbai. Like it was impromptu plan. I visited Mumbai that time and
stayed there for 3 days.
Stayed there. I extended my journey. Like I kept extending it, my return flight. So मैं 3 दिन रहा वहाँ पे. We met there.
Yeah, first day we met with my sister and my Jiju were also there. So first day all of us met. Then second day I asked him, okay, you have studied in Mumbai, so you plan a date now. I won't suggest the place. You plan the date, I'll just come to that location. So he had studied from IIT Bombay, so he called me there. And
So yeah, we went to IIT Bombay. If you know, IIT Bombay is a beautiful lake. फिर Powai, you can see Powai Lake from IIT Bombay's campus. तो वहाँ पे like there's very secluded place, but there are people around and it's just beautiful trail to go to that place. So we went there and I don't know how the time passed there. The few hours,
yeah.
like 3-4 hours went by and we just didn't realize. And then
स्टार्ट हो गया था.
what?
नहीं हो रहा था.
गिटार बहुत लेट बजने स्टार्ट हो गई.
What is your idea of love, both of you?
So, like before this, I have not been in love actually till now. So, I was not sure what happens. Like, how do you know you are in love? I like talking to this person, but वो जो movies का एक idea बन गया था love का कि everything looks rosy and you are just smiling all the time. वैसे क्यों नहीं हो रहा है कि just I want to keep talking to this person non-stop all the time. I'm thinking about this person. That was not happening. So we talked that day. Day 3 also he stayed. He extended his stay. So okay, I think if he's staying, let's meet again. We met up and everything. Even after that, we kept talking. He was sure, he became sure, I think, after the first meeting only.
So I saw Nancy's photo on Jeevan Sathi and I was sure. Because I knew her and I'd seen her like posts and everything on social media. So, and I knew how good a person she is. So I was almost sure, but only thing that was holding me back was the professional difference, because I've not seen a doctor's life so close before this. So there was मतलब थोड़ा hesitation उस sense में था. But otherwise, as a person, I was in love, and I kept falling for her. Like every time we met, every time we spoke. So
I was getting scared because इन्हें प्यार होता जा रहा था और मुझे नहीं हो रहा था. तो मुझे लग रहा था कि what if मुझे नहीं हुआ और मैं इनका दिल तोड़ दूँ, तो मैं वो नहीं करना चाहती थी.
So when did you realize कि now he's the one?
I took my sweet time. I think it was December 6th. I said yes, finally. So it was 9 months. We met in between. Once he came to Mumbai to surprise me. I had just finished like all my patients, and he calls up कि मेरा एक friend, first he inquired कि कहाँ पे काम करते हो, मेरे एक friend को scan कराना है every. He made up a good story. And then when I was leaving, like कि नहीं थोड़ी देर रुक जाओ, वो शायद आने वाला होगा. And then he calls up my hospital as a patient कि एक इमरजेंसी पेशेंट है, बहुत दूर से आ रहा है, कहीं और स्कैन नहीं करा सकता, तो डॉक्टर को प्लीज़ वेट करने बोलो. एंड आई एम वेटिंग, माई एवरीवन एट माई सेंटर इज़ वेटिंग, एंड सडनली ही कॉल्स कि तुम फ्री हो गए, तुम निकल जाओ हॉस्पिटल से. मैं बोला नहीं, मेरा एक पेशेंट आने वाला है. नहीं पेशेंट नहीं आएगा कोई. और बोला ये क्या बात कर रहे हैं, हाउ डज ही नो कि कोई पेशेंट आने वाला है, मेरी तो उनसे बात ही नहीं हुई. And then he calls up my center, and then I hear him on the other side of the phone कि अच्छा यही थे जो patient बन के call कर रहे हैं. I'm confused कि what was the need of all this joke and everything. और मैं जैसे ही hospital से बाहर निकलती हूँ, he's standing outside with a bouquet in his hand. And
Hold your hands. Describe your journey as a couple.
so as a couple, it has been really beautiful. Like I didn't think I could love somebody this much. Even for a few moments when he's away, I start missing him. So now I know what love is. Now I can feel all that Bollywood masala which they fed us. Things getting rosy and guitars, everything now I can feel. So I think this is the best decision of my life. And it's good we took our time, because that only how we realize how much we love each other.
yeah, completely agree.
You want to add something?
तो मैं तो मतलब जैसे बताया, मैं तो पहली बार, एंड व्हेन आई हर्ड हर वॉइस, तो आई वाज लाइक इन ऑ कि दिस इज, आई मीन हाउ कैन समवन साउंड सो ब्यूटीफुल, and her voice sounds like really is magical actually. Yeah, and so when I heard her for the first time, it was I mean no words to describe actually.
What are your expectations from the future?
I just want this to continue forever. I don't want this love to fade out with time, as people say. Like, I just want to be crazily in love with him for the rest of my life.
For me, I want to be, yeah, I exactly. So same thing. I don't want this to be over ever again. I mean, I want this to, I mean, rise, not fade out as they say.
Now just look at each other and say a promise. Promise for each other.
Should I go first?
Yes.
My love for you will keep increasing always, never.
I promise to love you even more. No, I couldn't change it. So, I am a bit short-tempered, but
I know that.
I promise to never go to bed like without solving a fight, and always keep loving each other like this, and even more than this.
You can hug each other. It's one of the most perfect interviews I've ever taken. I'm telling you this. It was very beautiful.
Thank you.
Thank you.
और जब तो म्यूजिक और वेडिंग के उसके साथ पूरा आएगा ना then you will love the.
Sober, right?
Yeah, it's okay.
कुछ और शेयर करना?
You had to say something. You had to want to add something.
थोड़ा बहुत और ऐड कर देते हैं. Let's just add because the journey has been long. we want to document it so that I think I'll not forget it. But if I get some
Yeah, he
dementia or
promised me
something.
to write a book.
Please.
Achha, so I think I'll just continue the story like where we left off. Like so when we so I surprised I paid a surprise visit to her in May, right?
Yes.
So 1st of May I guess or 30th of April. I think it's been almost 1 year now.
Yeah.
So I went to her hospital, paid her surprise visit. We went and then we went on a date, and then next day we went on a like really good place. Before this we went on a terrible we went to a terrible place on the first day.
Which he chose.
We went to a like really small restaurant which is just opposite to IIT Bombay. It's called Lakshmi Vai. Most people in IIT Bombay knows about it. But to me it was decent restaurant because we don't go to non-veg places. So and I knew very few places which are vegetarian like in our close to IIT Bombay. So and she will keep teasing me for this
For the rest of my
for
life.
the rest of my life. So that was our first date actually when we met the first time, and then we went to a really good place after when I paid her a surprise, and that was like she planned it, so it was really good place. And उसके बाद it was May, right? And then हाँ, so what happened after that visit we were in touch. तो हम phone पे बात करते थे after like this was in May, and then we kept talking. I think in July, I think she was not able to make up her mind because guitar नहीं बज रहे थे. So then and she didn't want to break my heart. So we decided, actually I proposed her कि let's give it a break. हम कुछ टाइम बाद बात करते हैं. And if you find someone really good, and even I'll try to find someone, but I just told her that I'll try to find someone, but I'll not try. So that's where we left in July, I guess, right? Mid-July, somewhere in mid-July. And but मैं कहाँ पीछे छोड़ने वाला था. तो मैं for some or the other reason, she's a radiologist, and my mother had like bad knees. तो उनके X-rays and all I kept sending her कि ये देखो, try help me with some second opinion or something. So she out of courtesy replied and everything. And her birthday is in August, so and this by Indian calendar her birthday is on Janmashtami. तो मैं पहले Indian calendar पे wish किया, then I wished on the
Earning brownie points.
to just not lose the touch, I kept finding excuses. So 15th August was Janmashtami, I guess 15th or 16th, then and 29th was her Gregorian calendar birthday. So we didn't lose touch as such, but I was a bit sad, like heartbroken actually कि यार अब तो कुछ हो नहीं रहा है.
He has been really patient with me because I took really long time to come in, and he was such a nice person. I was not able to say no also because I didn't want to break his heart, and I was scared to say yes. Maybe I was scared of commitment of marriage. I don't know, and maybe I was scared because he was so much in love and I couldn't feel that much. So I was thinking, even if I say yes, I won't be able to do justice to our relationship.
Were you able to look for someone else in July?
We'll
So
come to
yeah,
that.
look, he proposed a very nice thing. Ki, okay, you meet other people, and even if you don't find someone, मतलब, even if I am also single and you are also single, then we can reconnect. Yeah, okay, this is a good plan. nobody is losing in this. ठीक है, तो मैं और लोगों से मिलती हूँ. मैं बीच में मिली भी दूसरे लोगों से. एंड देन मुझे लगा था कि अभी दिस थिंग इज़ ओवर, मतलब जस्ट आउट ऑफ कर्टेसी मे बी ही सेड कि दूसरे लोगों से मिल लो एंड एवरीथिंग, बट देन इन बिटवीन ही केप्ट मैसेजिंग, एंड देन व्हेन ही मैसेज ऑन माय बर्थडे, hey wow, such a nice guy, he remembers both of my birthdays. तो मतलब मैं दूसरे लोगों से मिल रही थी, बट इन द बैक ऑफ माई माइंड मैं कंपेयर करती थी हिमांशु से कि ये कितना बोरिंग आंसर कर रहा है, अगर हिमांशु होते तो इस चीज़ को कितना अच्छे से आंसर करते और ये कॉन्वर्सेशन कितनी ईजिली आगे जा सकती थी. मतलब एक दो लोगों से मैं मिली, मैंने किसी को भी हाँ नहीं बोल पा रही थी बिकॉज ये थे बैक ऑफ द माइंड हमेशा. एंड देन फाइनली अक्टूबर में,
I think late September, so my father gets a call from our father कि just a normal chit chat, nothing related to marriage, just typical father's conversation, क्या चल रहा है, कैसे हो, मतलब सब घर में बढ़िया है, political conversation, all of that, and nothing after that, and I was like कि क्यों कॉल किया होगा अभी, मतलब हम टच में नहीं थे फिर. In September we were not in touch at all. So this happened and I thought, okay, there is something I should look forward to. And then Nitin भैया calls me up in last week of September कि हिमांशु तुमसे बात करनी है कुछ. Said okay.
because my family was also getting worried कि ये किसी को भी हाँ नहीं बोल रही है. तो मतलब इसको क्या समझ नहीं आ रहा है, इसको वही पसंद है क्या है. दे लाइक कि तुम्हें जो भी पसंद है, हमें किसी से प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, तुम जस्ट मेक अप योर माइंड एंड वील सपोर्ट यू. तो देन भैया टुक द लीड कि ठीक है, तुमसे नहीं हो रहा, अब मैं जिस तरीके से कर रहा हूँ मुझे करने दो बात. एंड देन भैया कॉल्स हिम अप.
Yeah, so I met Nitin भैया. So I've met Nitin भैया more than Nancy by that time. So we met and then we started talking again. Nancy and I started talking again. And then October में दिवाली थी and
I
दिवाली
think
पे
the first time we talked like after this in September, तब I kind of realized कि he is the one, क्योंकि इतने मन से दूसरे लोगों से मिलने के बाद सबको आंसर करना है कि समझ आ रहा है नहीं आ रहा है, और आई हैड नो आंसर्स कि क्यों मना कर रही हूँ, क्या चीज़ है, डॉक्टर्स ही तो हैं, जैसा तुम मतलब मुझे Tier 2 सिटीज़ में सेटल होना था, मतलब वैसे ही है, फैमिली वैसी है, डॉक्टर सब कुछ, तो तुम हाँ क्यों नहीं बोल पा रहे हो. तो इतना मतलब वो टॉर्मेंटिंग हो गया था सब कुछ, मुझे भी मैं फिगर आउट खुद नहीं कर पा रही थी कि मैं हाँ क्यों नहीं बोल पा रही हूँ. एंड देन फाइनली जब मैंने हिमांशु से बात की सितंबर में, और इतना पीसफुल फील हुआ सडनली कि जो इतने मंथ्स का टॉर्मेंट था सब कुछ अपने आप सब सेटल हो गया.
So हाँ, तो सितंबर में then we started talking again. अक्टूबर में she दिवाली थी अक्टूबर में, she had to visit her home. मैं नहीं जा रहा था दिवाली पे घर, because I didn't want any questions from my parents. तो मैंने कहा मैं दिवाली पे इस बार घर नहीं जाऊँगा. अक्टूबर में she went her home, but उसके बाद भी I thought she was a bit, मतलब थोड़ा तो unsure थी Nancy. And then आई थिंक वहाँ से वापस आने के बाद भी आई थॉट कि शायद नैन्सी के पेरेंट्स कन्विंस नहीं है थोड़ा, बिकॉज दे वांटेड अ डॉक्टर, राइट, दे वांटेड अ डॉक्टर फॉर हर. And in MP, I mean in Tier 2 city in MP,
closer
to home basically, so that most loved child, right, घर के पास रहना प्रेफर कर रहे थे वो. But then I was like कि ठीक है मैं lead लेता हूँ अब. I'll talk to Nancy's parents. Then I
We
called.
made a script.
I made a script. Yeah, actually I did make a script to
Be ready for
be
any
like,
questions they ask.
Yeah, so I wrote question answer, like if they ask this I had to answer this. I was all prepared कि मैं क्या बात करने वाला हूँ. And I think उसके बाद they were convinced. Nancy I think 1% रह गया होगा Nancy का convince रहना. And Nancy then planned to visit Bangalore, and then late November, right?
Yes.
Late November she visited Bangalore, and we met in Bangalore, and we planned. I made up for the first screw up that I did on the first date.
We planned a very romantic date. It was a rooftop movie setup.